Story 1. How the Whale Got His Throat.
Once upon a time, there was a whale in the sea, and he ate fish. The whale eats so many fish that eventually only one very small fish remains in the sea. It is a 'stute fish.
If I swim behind his ear, he can't catch me, and he can't eat me.
The whale stands up on his tail.
I'm hungry.
Noble cetacean, do you like the taste of man?
I don't know. What does man taste like?
Very nice, but a bit lumpy.
Well, go on. Find me some men to eat.
One man is enough. I can tell you where you can find a man. You must swim to latitude 50 north, longitude 40 west, and there you can find a shipwrecked mariner on a raft in the middle of the sea. He's wearing blue trousers and suspenders.
So, whale swims and swims as fast as possible across the sea. And when he finds the mariner, he opens his enormous mouth and eats him, and the raft too. But the mariner is very clever. When he realizes where he is, he says,
"No whale can eat me. I'll show him."
and he starts to jump,
"Take that,
and thump,
and that.
and dance a jig on the whale's ribs.
That will teach you."
Poor whale is very unhappy. He feels ill.
This man is certainly very lumpy. And now I've got a stomachache. What can I do, 'stute fish?
I'll ask him to come out. Come out, man. Please. Whale's got hiccups. He feels ill.
"No, you must take me home to England. Then I'll come out."
Whale and 'stute fish decide to take the mariner home as fast as possible. But when they arrive, the mariner has a surprise for Whale.
"Listen, whale, I used my suspenders and raft to make a grate for your throat. Now you can never eat men again."
Whale is very angry. He coughs and coughs, but the grate doesn't move.
"Goodbye, whale. Don't be angry. You can still eat small fish."
That man was too lumpy anyway. Maybe small fish taste nicer.
I think it's time to hide.